Hello, my name is Lee Burke. I'm president of Burke Bogart Brownell, Inc. I'm in the property and casualty insurance business, but my job is to help you list, sell, and close real estate deals. The real estate industry has challenges. The insurance industry is about to present more challenges for your industry. It's the summer of 2020, and simply put, insurance companies do not want to sell homeowners insurance policies in South Florida. In the coming months, insurance issues will cause negotiations to fail and closings to fall through. You're likely to also see litigation resulting from insurance-related issues on real estate deals. Insurance premiums are skyrocketing, and insurance is hard to obtain. What do I mean by that? The current homeowners insurance premium is up 20 to 25% this year over last year, and there's no sign of premium increases leveling off. Insurance companies, as I said, don't want to sell policies. Not in South Florida. They don't want to insure homes built before 2002. They don't want to insure homes with older roofs or any type of roof damage. They don't want to insure homes with a prior water damage claim. They've closed zip codes and entire counties to new business. Any type of problem on either one of the two major insurance inspections will cause a home to become uninsurable. How do you deal with this? What are you supposed to do as a realtor in this environment? First of all, identify insurance issues and problems up front. Disclose them to all the parties and do your best to find solutions. Know everything you can about the two important insurance inspections. Obtain these inspections early in the listing and sale process and have them reviewed by a professional insurance person who can tell you how an underwriter is going to look at the inspections and how an underwriter is going to respond to them. Make sure you obtain a bindable insurance proposal, not just a quote, as early as you can in the process. And the best suggestion I can give you is to form a close working partnership with a professional insurance agency, an agency that's going to be there and help you through the problems that inevitably are going to come up and work with your client to solve these problems. What are some of the things that you don't know about the insurance world that will be helpful to know? First of all, an insurance quote does not mean that a policy will be issued and bound for a closing. It's easy for an insurance agency to provide a quote. They can do that in 5 to 15 minutes. To get underwriting approval and have a policy be ready to be bound for a closing takes at least an hour, typically 2 hours or more. Agencies don't go through that process without knowing that somebody's ready to buy insurance. Accurate quotes and approvals require wind mitigation and 4-point inspections. Without these inspections, somebody's simply guessing at what a quote might be. In most agencies, quoting process is done by inexperienced people. They very seldom have licenses. They almost certainly don't have a 220 or an agent's license. And in this environment, good agencies are swamped. Agencies are having to remarket almost every current client's policies because premiums have gone up so much. That means that they don't have time to work on quotes for new business. They will find time to work on somebody who's coming to them to buy a policy, but they're not going to invest any time on somebody that's simply on a wholesale shopping expedition. My name is Lee Burke. I'm president of Burke Bogart Brownell, Inc., a 47-year young insurance agency. We have a dedicated team of professionals working solely with the real estate community. We'd love to be of help and assistance to you and your clients. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you very much for your time.